We have more than 60 years of combined experience working in the field of trauma. Together, we have conceptualized, researched, and treated trauma of all natures, from individual therapy to group therapy, to supervision of others in trauma interventions, and training mental health professionals in how to treat trauma. To writing this book, we have dedicated our careers to helping others heal from post-trauma fallout.
Seeing others recover and grow following trauma has been a gift. We hope to share our knowledge and understanding of trauma so that we can pay that gift forward to you. Our heartfelt desire is to help you recover and live a life beyond trauma.